You can see that this one is the copper cable. This is the XLP insulated. This is the PVC insulated. But for now, that many projects need more environmental protections. Maybe we need to change the insulation and the system materials to more environmental protections, just like the XLPE or some materials with low smoke, hydrogen-free, and sometimes we also need some fire resistant materials. So even with these two cables, maybe it is the same from the appearance, but in fact there have some difference about the different installations and different systems. So price is also different.